Namaste. Welcome to the series of Chair Yoga. My name is Sandeep Solanki. A lot of time when we are stressed while working, our breathing starts becoming shallow. Not only that, but a lot of stiffness starts setting in the area which is required to move to breathe. And that's the reason why this video will focus on breathing and the movement of the hands. Why breathing and the movement of the hands? Because when you will move your hands, you are stretching certain muscles either from the front or from the sides or maybe horizontally so that they can stretch and open and breathing can become easier and deeper. So we are going to learn 3 simple hand movement and breathing in this video. The first one is called as hands out and in breathing. Now what is in this? We keep both the hands in front, keeping the palms together and the shoulders relaxed. And as we breathe in, we inhale and open the arms very slowly along with the inhalation, allowing the hands to go behind as much as they can with ease. And when we exhale, we slowly come back, synchronizing the exhalation and the movement of the hands. So when I am doing this movement, I am actually allowing the chest to open up horizontally in this direction. Opening of the chest. When you do this, you have to repeat at least 5 times. A lot of time initially, people when they will do this, by the time they come here, they will feel that the breath is already over. Don't worry, just remain here and when you exhale, come back. Because as you will keep on practicing, you will find that your movement of the hand increases and your breathing also improves. It's just a matter of practice. Let me repeat it 2 more times so that you know how am I doing it. Right now there is a wall behind, it doesn't allow me to go further behind, but you can actually allow the hands to go further behind when there is a range, when there is room to move your hand. But don't overdo it, don't push your chest too much forward. Keep your spine vertical. Once again, hands out and in breathing. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Shoulders are relaxed. Facial muscles relaxed. Chin not dropping. Inhale. Exhale. And repeat it 3 more times. At least it should be 5 times. Not less than 5. If you can do 10 times, it will be better. But when you do this 5 times, initially why I am telling it better, because when you will do this 10 times, your hands will feel tired. That's the reason why you will start with 5. Then later on, you can add 1 so that you can reach at least up to 10. This is the first practice called as hands out and in breathing. Now let us do the second practice, hands front, up and down breathing. So both the hands are in front, shoulders are relaxed. Now as I breathe in, I will raise my hands up. And after coming up, I will just stretch a little bit. And when I exhale, I will synchronize the exhalation and the movement of the hands together. Remember, hands and the breath should synchronize to each other. Every time I inhale, now in this second practice, I raise the hands along with the inhalation. Once the hand goes up, stretch a little bit, and when you exhale, slowly synchronize the breath and your movement of the hands together. Shoulders are relaxed, not higher. One more, last time. Inhaling, hands front, up and down breathing. Inhalation all the way till up, stretch. Exhale slowly, don't release the stretch, just let the hand come down. So as you go up, after stretching, don't release the stretch. Just maintain the stretch and slowly come back with exhalation and relax. You will do 5 times. This was hands front, up and down breathing. This will allow the vertical movement to increase, vertical stretch to improve. Again, breathing will become better with this. The slower the synchronized the breath and the movement of the hands are, the breath will also start becoming prolonged with practice. This was the second one. Now let's watch the third part of breathing. This is called as was hands side up to down movement. The second was front up to down. The third one is hands side up to down movement. So what we will do is, we'll open both the hands at 180 degree, and then when we inhale, we will inhale and raise both the hands from side to up, and after coming up we will stretch a little bit, and when we exhale we slowly synchronize the breath and the movement of the hand together. This is one. Two more time. Inhale, stretch, exhale. Last one to go. Inhale, stretch, exhale. Don't let the chin drop, keep the chin parallel. And after exhalation, release. So these are the three hand movement with the breathing. Hands front, out and in breathing. Hands front, up and down breathing. Hands side, up and down breathing. Every time you go up or every time you open your hands, it is inhalation. Every time you come down, every time you bring your hand closer, it is exhalation. This breathing may look very simple. Especially in this modern world, most of the people breathe very shallowly. This three simple breathing can prove to be very drastic to change the breath, to make the breath prolonged. Because when this happens, you can do other breathing practices easily. Because you're training the muscles of the chest to stretch, to improve the mobility of that area, to increase also the capacity of the lungs. So, I believe you like this series of chair yoga. If you like the video, hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any queries, any questions, feel free to write to us. We will revert it back to you. Thank you for watching. Namaste.